Healthcare should never be for profit, and I'm saying that as a veterinarian who owns my own business. It's like, it's life or death situations. And the Nixon administration, from a nonprofit insurance options to mostly for-profit commercial groups. Start of healthcare costs rapidly escalating because it's for-profit, it's big corporation owned. They constantly deny stuff now, and basically your doctors are not the ones making medical decisions. That is the part where they've crossed the line. Like, yes, yo, capitalism, that's what you want to do for 20 years. God, the 70s are not 20 years ago. Ridiculous. And I think that's why we are suffering majorly. And I think that's why there's burnout. I think that's why there's physician shortages, is because it is not a production problem of doctors. It is a retention problem because people are tired of working in horrible conditions for no pay, unsafe staffing ratios, administrative bullshit. And until that stuff is fixed, it's going to continue to get worse. And as a veterinarian who is seeing this happen right before our eyes, I know veterinary healthcare is next. I know that's what happened during COVID when everyone got pets and veterinary clinics were booming. Corporations came in and bought a bunch of vet clinics up and are making huge. Mars, the candy company, owns like 60% of corporate veterinary hospitals. They're the ones that are pushing VPA mid-level positions because they want to be able to pay people less and have them work harder. And we need to put our foot down and say, no, we are not doing this anymore. Stop them from making such unethical profits. I don't care if someone makes a reasonable profit. I make a reasonable profit. But I think a break-even model, or we'd vote and decide on what's an ethical profit to make on living creatures and work from that. I know you can do it because I run my clinic in an ethical way where I pay people right, I treat people fair, we say no when we have to say no, we only do what we can do. And we have to hustle. And it's tight sometimes and I get nervous, but I love my job and I know I'm making a difference in my community because I'm being reasonable. I know I'm making a difference in the lives of my staff because I'm giving them a good job with fair pay and they're cared about and they have tons of flexibility, just like what I want as a boss. So annoyed that it's one thing they owned all the drugs, now they own all the insurances, and now pet insurance is becoming a scam just like human insurance, and now they're buying vet clinics. They're literally owning everything, and it is going to be ridiculously priced unless we stop it. All this shit hits the fan and we restructure our freaking government, I hope. Please don't forget about the healthcare workers, that we are not the ones to blame for all this shit. We have been trying to just do the right thing and help people.